Okay, so I just finished taking the chicken out of the Bella Pro Series air fryer, 8 quart, and it looks delicious. The chicken looks really crispy. What I did was the last 10, 15 minutes of the frying, I placed it at 400 degrees. So I really want it to be really, really, really crispy. So there you have it. I'm going to taste the piece here. See how it tastes. It's really hot. I mean, I just took it out. So let me pause it. Okay, I broke it apart. I want you to see it. Looks really good. Looks really good. And I'm going to taste it. It's kind of hot. Get a napkin. Tastes pretty good. Not greasy. It's crispy. So, exactly what I wanted. So, if you're interested in getting the Bella Pro Series 8 quart touchscreen air fryer, it's a go. Okay? Easy cleanup as well. The only thing you have to do is just take the grill out at the bottom. Once it cools, you can put it in the dishwasher. I basically wash it in the sink. So there you have it. Looks delicious and tastes very delicious.